You haven't taken your makeup off yet.
I know.
Okay. Should I zip up more, zip up less?
Part of it.
Should the sleeves be up, sleeves be down?
No, maybe I should change my sweater though. Matt will introduce the channel.
No, Matt will not.
Matt, just say hello to everyone. My goodness, Matt, introduce yourself to people. Oh, there we go, an old sweater. Okay, that I don't care about. Okay, everyone, my name is Dani Walker. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and also hit that notifications bell. And also follow me on Instagram at Dani Walker. Today I'm here with my boss, Matt.
Hey.
At his request.
And I wouldn't say my request.
Matt asked me to do face masks.
Danny talked me into doing a face mask.
I have the text message.
Let's be clear, I've never done a face mask.
So he's like really curious about it. So I was like, yeah, let's do it. And gentlemen, if you want a face mask too, it's totally fine. Don't be ashamed. Matt's not embarrassed.
No, not at all.
So first thing, I'm gonna wash my face off basically. Okay.
Do I wash my face too?
Yeah, do you need to take your makeup off?
Yes.
Well, you have to read the directions.
I'm a boy, I don't read directions. Not recommended for use over facial hair.
So don't do that.
Check. Apply an even layer to clean, dry face, avoiding eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes or until dry. Is my face clean and dry? I did shower today.
No, you should wash it.
Are you gonna hand me a wipe then, or?
You want face wash?
This is all new to me, Dani. I don't know what I need.
Do you not ever wash your face?
My skincare regimen is soap and water. And don't be confused, just because I'm a pageant director. Most of this stuff is new to me. I'm the outdoors kind of guy. I hunt, I fish, I camp.
You have to say that.
I've never had a pedicure. I've never had a manicure.
Oh my gosh, that's what we should have done today. There's a salon. Are they still open?
That would have been a hard pass. I'm using Freeman Feeling Legendary Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Peel Off Gel Mask for men.
Cetaphil, so you just use this. While Matt does that, I'm gonna make a cup of tea. I like always, a lot of times, have tea in my pockets. Matt, do you need tea?
I do not need tea, thank you.
Oh my gosh, I have 4 packets of tea today in my pockets. Okay, so just open it and throw it everywhere on your face, minus your, oh, mine's so pretty. This is a Cosmic Holographic Peel-Off Mask. Yeah, we stopped by Walmart. We're very fancy, but it's so, you guys, this is like pearly. It's like a unicorn mask. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that it looks like unicorny? I don't think that they can see that. Tried my best. Throw this on everywhere. Yes. Oh my gosh, does yours smell good? Mine just smells nasty.
Oh goodness. I feel like I should have you do this for me.
No, Matt, you do your own mask.
Well, I've never done it. I don't really have a mirror, and that little display on your camera isn't big enough.
Oh, it's gonna be just fine. Don't put it on your eyebrows.
But I can't tell where the eyebrows start and end.
You can't feel them? Does it burn yet?
There's a slight tingle. Oh, this is gonna hurt when it comes off, isn't it? Oh no, I got all over my pants.
Matt and I can't have a meal without Matt spilling food on his shirt. So I told Matt, I was like, I'm gonna get you one of those signs that says like, it's been this many days since your last spill, and this many meals since your last spill. See, yours it's better because you can really see where it is. Mine is a little hard because it's so sheer.
It's really messy. But I don't think I did a good job of expelling it from the container to my hand, and thus.
You're probably right, it's because we don't have a mirror.
Would you be a lamb and make sure I get the appropriate coverage?
Yours is starting to drip.
I can't see where you
This
said
is better than I
drip.
expected.
I don't know what I'm doing here, Dani.
This is so good.
Is this what my eyes would look like if I was Batman?
Yeah, I think so.
Hi, I'm Batman.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. Oh, I just love, is mine pretty? Does it look a unicorny?
You look like a girl at an EDM party.
You got a little in your hair though. Maybe we should have got you hair clips.
Or maybe we should have had a mirror.
Now our face has to dry, so we'll come back in a few minutes.
To give the fellas an idea.
Because I have so many male viewers.
I know, right? Yeah, the consistency is a little bit less than axle grease. I'd say it's about halfway between engine oil and axle grease. But it definitely is stains, and it's hard to get off your cuticles and around your hands like axle grease is.
Matt, I think you should have your own beauty vlogging channel.
Right, and compare it to fixing cars and fishing.
Yeah, I've never heard that comparison before on any
Guarantee the first time axle grease has ever been said on Dani Walker's channel.
Guaranteed.
Although you learned about axle grease.
Guys, I learned how to fix a tire. I'm gonna get a spoon. Hold on.
Okay, let's be clear. She did not learn how to fix a tire.
I mean,
she learned how to change a tire.
That's what I meant.
That's a weird looking T.
I I know. I put their little powdery creamer thing. It's not.
Oh, powder creamer's gross. The
I
non-dairy
know.
stuff.
I know.
Ugh.
Well, they had no other choice. I have to eat chocolates.
She eats chocolate when she does face masks. Apparently, that's a requirement.
I love chocolate.
Of course, so for Dani, everything's a requirement. Everything's a reason to eat chocolate. I got out of bed. It's time to have chocolate. Oh, we just had lunch. It's time to have chocolate. Oh, we're doing a face mask. It's time to have chocolate. Oh, we're getting back on the road. It's time to have chocolate.
That's why I stay jolly. Peel away. See how mine like is super dry? And
Yeah,
it's
like your face looks wrinkly. Like it's
so
pulling everything in.
it, right?
Okay, do I start at the top?
Or whatever
the bottom?
you want to do. There's no.
Okay, I don't know.
Oh, mine already hurts a little bit.
Oh, I got hair in there. Okay,
Oh,
yeah, this definitely hurts. Obviously, like I said, this is the first time I've ever done this. I learned to use a mirror. It works better when you have a mirror. And also, I think I put it on too thick because it took way more than the 5 to 10 minutes. It really hurts in my hair. Oh, ow, 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 ow!
Look at mine. Look how thick it is.
You look like a horror movie, like your skin's peeling off.
Right? Oh, this one hurts too. That's how you know it's good though. Oh, mine burns.
But I feel like it's a sunburn I'm peeling, trying to get... I don't know if y'all do this or not, but when I have a sunburn, my goal is to always peel off the biggest chunk of skin possible.
Ew. You shouldn't be sunburning.
Well, I can't remember the last time I had a sunburn, but...
Oh, it hurt. Oh my gosh.
I think I'm going to get this off in all one big
Oh,
piece.
mine hurts so bad.
Look at that.
Mine really hurts.
Can I pull on it?
No, I'm
Can I pull? So y'all can't see Dani. Let me turn you over
Sorry,
here so you can
mine
see
is
Dani.
hurting my face. My eyes are watering. Let's see if it pulled stuff out.
Oh, we're supposed to inspect it?
I just want to see if it just like because my face is on fire. It's gross, but I can see it pull
Does mine have gross stuff in it?
impurities out. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, yours is super good. Look at that. Look at all the gunk that was in your pores.
But how can you tell what's gunk and what was
Look,
the
all
face
those
mask?
things that are sticking up.
Okay, yeah. Oh gosh, yeah. Yours is definitely on tighter than mine.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my eyes are literally watering right now.
Surprisingly, mine came off easier than I thought it would. So should I use the hot towel to get the stuff off my eyebrows?
I just get a little extra. Oh, I think it got some on my eyebrow, definitely. I don't have any eyebrows to spare. That's not good. I don't know how much more I got. Matt, be gentle. It's your face skin. Oh.
Because like I said, Dani wouldn't let me use a mirror to put this on.
We have a camera.
Okay, I'm 5 feet away from the camera and her display is this big.
I don't think that's 5 feet.
My arm is probably just under 3 feet. So
4 feet then.
you have no concept of distance.
I don't think I do. For, what do you call it? Spatial reasoning?
So you didn't do well in geometry?
Oh, that was the one! Oh, I was excellent in all other maths but geometry.
Geometry was tough for you.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. I feel super clean and cleansed.
I don't know if I feel clean. My skin definitely feels delicate right now.
Oh, isn't it nice? Oh, we have to moisturize.
I don't know if I don't know.
But anyways, guys, so this was Matt's face mask experience.
My first face mask.
We hope you enjoyed it and encourage you to also face mask. And if you do face mask, post it and tag me at Dani Walker. Also subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Don't forget, guys, so you can watch lots more content just like this. Love you. Bye.
Bye.